Self-practice 4.3 question 1. Convert the following recurring decimals to fractions. Right. Let's look at A. Okay, so first we see the pattern. There is no abnormalities. So it's just the pattern 787878. So what we can do is we let 0.787878 equals to x. So x equals to this. Right. So the pattern repeats for the first time here onwards. So to get the decimal here, we need to times 100. We need to move it 2 decimal places, right? So we say 100x is 78.787878. Right. So now, if we minus this with this, we will just be left with 78 because we are getting rid of whatever that's behind the decimal. So we call this equation 1, equation 2. So equation 2 minus 1 means 100 minus the x, you will get 99x. This minus this will get 78. So x is 78 over 99. So this one we can double check if you can simplify or not. Yeah, so you can simplify it to 26 over 33. And you can see in the decimal form it's 0.787878. Okay, so this is how to do this. Right, let's look at B. So B, there is a small abnormality. So you see 3 here. So what we do is we separate the 3. So it will be 3 plus 0.575757. Okay, so now we just let the pattern, this repeating pattern, we need to find the fraction for this first. So we let x is 0.575757. So here also same, the pattern repeats here. So we must multiply 2 decimal places. So 100x lah. 100x will be 57.575757. So same thing. This minus this, we will get 57. And then 100 minus x is 99x. So x is 57 over 99. Let's see if we can simplify this. It will be 19 over 33. Okay, but it doesn't stop there. So remember the 3 we took out just now? We have to add that again. So 3 plus 19 over 33. We get 118 over 33. This will be our final answer. Done. Okay, C. C, we have no abnormalities, but the pattern repeats in 3 numbers, 345, 345, 345. Okay, so we let x equals to 0.345, 345, 345. So here the pattern repeats after 3 numbers. So we have to move the decimal by 3 places. So to move the decimal by 3 places, we have to times 1000. Okay, times 1000 only you move 3 lah. So 1000x will be 345.345.345.345. So here, same thing. This minus this will leave us with 345. 1000x minus x will be 999x. So 345 over 999. Let's simplify this. It's 115 over 333. So you can double check with your calculator lah. So you can see the decimal 0.345345 and so on. So this will be our answer. Done. And lastly, question D. So here got some abnormality, we got 13 here. So we take out the 13, 0.567, 567, and 567. Dot, dot, dot. So we let x equals to 0.567, 567, 567. Here also same thing, the pattern repeats here. So we move the decimal by 3 places, means 1000x is 567.567, 567, 567. So this minus this, we get 567. 1000x minus x, we get 999x. Therefore, x is 567 over 999. You can simplify this to 21 over 37. But don't forget, this is not the final answer. You have to add back the 13. So 13 plus 21 over 37 is 502 over 37. And you can see there, 502 over 37 gives us the 13.567, 567. That's it.